Scout Fragrance, let's get it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Made in friends. All right, we got a lot of flack about the spray routine. Scout Fragrance, let's get it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. This is the Christian Dior. This is Homme 2020. This is my favorite Christian Dior. I love it. I know if you had a chance to smell it, you would love it. It's actually somewhat hard to get your hands on, but here it is. I'm gonna actually hit you with some sprays. I want you guys to see the atomizer on this joint. I'm gonna hit you with a spray routine, all right? This is like the real one. You guys ready? All right. Bam. I don't rub it, but I kind of dab it. All right, bam. You feel me? You feel me, a little dabber? Bam. That smell crazy, huh? Dior Homme 2020. This is from my personal collection. I don't wear it that often, hence why you see there's not a huge dent in it, but it's a banger. I'm telling you. Hey, be sure to go to our TikTok shop. We got these atomizers. I'm gonna do a little demo. We're actually gonna be mixing up the content. I'm gonna do some voiceover stuff as well as some ASMR. Go to the TikTok shop, support us. I'm gonna show you what the atomizers look like. All right, see that? And you see this, all right? All right. So bam, we got the Dior. Okay, bam. We'll go like this. Just place it right on top. Hopefully it works. Cool. All right, bam. So then I'm gonna put the top back on like it never left, right? Pop this back on, bam.